Legendary producer Lee Scratch Perry was laid to rest early today. A private family viewing was held at Perry's funeral home, which also saw Culture and Entertainment Minister Olivia Grange in attendance. Following the viewing, Perry was laid to rest at a family plot in Caldwell, Hanover. Lee Scratch Perry died on August 29 at the Noel Holmes Hospital in Lucy. He is known for his pioneering work with roots, reggae and dub, and revolutionizing not only reggae, but transcending hip-hop, dance, and other genres. He has worked with and produced for a wide variety of artists, including Bob Marley and the Wailers, Junior Murvin, the Congos, the Beastie Boys, and many others. Reggae artist Skip Marley and dancehall superstar Popcorn have joined forces on a track dubbed Vibe. Skip shared this preview of the song on his Instagram account, where he gave his fans a listen of what to expect on the track.
She wanna catch a vibe. She wanna catch a vibe, she wanna spend some time into the light.
Skip Marley and Popcorn are no strangers to cross-genre collaborations. Skip has previously worked with American pop star Katy Perry on the 2x platinum song Chained to the Rhythm, and then his debut EP Higher Place also featured American rapper Rick Ross, R&B singer Ari Lennox, and her on the recently gold-certified song Slow Down. Now Popcorn has previously teamed up with Paris Hammond, Drake, Party Next Door, among others. Vibe is currently available for pre-order and is set to be released October 1. Now onto the international scene, where American rapper Nelly is to be honored with the I Am Hip Hop Award at the 2021 BET Hip Hop Awards this October. Nelly will be celebrated for his massive contributions to music and the culture at large. The I Am Hip Hop Award is the top honorary award that is presented at the show. The honor has been given to LL Cool J, Snoop Dogg, Master P, Ice Cube, and Lil' Kim in the past, as they've all dominated the genre. Nelly's 2 decades-old career has earned him 3 Grammys, 4 American Music Awards, 9 Billboard Music Awards, 1 MTV Video Music Award, 3 Soul Train Music Awards, and 4 Teen Choice Awards. He has also gained 4 #1 hits on the Billboard Hot 100 with the massive song Hot and Her, Dilemma with Kelly Rowland, Shake Your Tail Feather, and Grills. The rapper and entrepreneur is also known for his fashion line Apple Bottoms. He starred in BET's reality series Real Husbands of Hollywood, as well as his reality show Nellyville. I'm Daedra reporting for E! Prime.